Ginchiest!
Wow.
Let's get it. Let's succeed. Let's go.
Woo! I'm so not feeling it. I think earlier I was having a panic attack, but I'm gonna get it together. But I added a little birdie friend. You see our birdie friend? Right, see our birdie friend? That's a little birdie friend.
You have a birdie.
We're in the weeds again, so that's why I thought,
My allergies.
they're real bad, Dan,
Yeah.
because we're in the weeds
Yeah.
and this bird doesn't leave us.
No.
It just doesn't go away.
No, the bird is there.
Yeah, and you're just like flying by the speed of light almost.
As a support bird, you know. And
It's an emotional support bird. Yeah, it is. Right now it is. It really needs to be, because yeah, guys, it's like from one moment to the next, I don't know what my body's doing. But this morning I took a shower and that was pretty amazing, but the water seemed to have aggravated my rash because it was really warm. Like my skin.
Water with an aggravated rash, the remix.
Who knew? And Dan is doing his signature. Dan, your shirt's inside out. If you don't know this about Dan, this is like classic.
Well, see, that's because Dan's the man, and he's classic. You know what do you want from Dan the man?
I mean, it would be nice if he wore his shirts right side. I mean, let's just make sure that. Wait, bend forward, Dan. Let me just see. Like, let's look at the tag. See, bend forward. You see the tags?
No, that's cool. See, that is innovative.
Yeah, he just like, okay, that's good, Dan. He just doesn't go by convention, like who in society says you must wear your shirt whatever, like a certain way.
Yeah.
You running around there?
Yeah.
Hurrying up?
Yeah.
Yeah, Dan already did a daily shower. He's like a shower. He loves taking showers.
Yeah, I kind of do too. Yep, love them things called a shower. And then you got the Alexa, in the bathroom.
Wait a second, Brandon. Do you bring Alexa into the shower?
Oh, wait a minute. I have one.
Oh my, this relationship is going deeper than I thought.
Yes. Oh yes, please hold on. You must see this.
Okay, let's check it out. Brandon, I have to congratulate you. You got the lighting on point this time. Oh no, you're dimming.
That's natural.
No. You're okay, so you're moving throughout your apartment, obviously, right? And the lighting. Oh no, the lighting is.
I told you were in a diner.
Dan thinks that you're in a diner.
I like that you think that.
That would be nice to have like a diner right now, some food from a diner.
Moving to the country, gonna eat me a lot of peaches.
Millions of peaches.
Peaches. Million of peaches.
Peaches for free.
I want some peach pie now. Pie Day wasn't that long ago, folks. Did you know that?
No.
Did you know about Pie Day?
Now tell us.
It was on March 14th. I didn't even remember.
Wow.
One of my thanks for the fake excitement. One of our friends reminded me of that, and she was like, "Yeah, Happy Pi Day," because it was March 14th is pi of the mathematical realm 3.14 ...
No, I don't know.
Oh my! Is that waterproof, Alexa?
No, but she just hangs out on my shelf.
The level of love between you and your Alexa, it's a little disturbing. All right, where are we? Where are we, Dan, today? With
Alexa. No.
Wait, I bet you Alexa could probably tell him. Could she?
Echo. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all?
Famed is thy beauty, majesty. But hold, a lovely maid I see. Rags cannot hide her gentle grace. Alas, she is more fair than thee.
Oh my! Wow, so you guys like whisper sweet nothings in each other's ear?
That was poetry by
I
Alexa,
know.
folks.
I'm impressed, Brandon. Wow, like you guys have a pretty deep relationship, and I really underestimated that.
Echo. Thank you. I love you.
That's really nice. Thank you.
Wait, she doesn't reciprocate, Brandon. She didn't say I love you back.
No, she doesn't always.
Fickle
Echo,
lady.
can you remind people to push the button?
When should I remind you?
Tomorrow.
What time tomorrow should I remind you?
4:30 p.m.
Aww.
I'll remind you tomorrow at 4:30 p.m. By the way, when your reminder rings, you can snooze it by saying, "Remind me again in 15 minutes."
Efficient. Brandon, you could ask Alexa how many subscribers are on the YouTube channel The Ginchiest. Let's see if she recognizes it.
Echo. How many subscribers are on the YouTube channel The Ginchiest?
I don't know that one.
Oh, Alexa, you can be disappointing. Oh my gosh. We don't have that check mark yet, you know what I'm saying? Like you gotta get like a check mark in YouTube apparently or something.
Echo. It's okay. She didn't mean it.
Oh my, I meant it, Echo. 3:34. All right. Well.
Hey, wait, I got a question, right?
Yeah.
So what's after the 90 days? Is there another 90-day challenge?
That's a good question, Brandon. I don't know.
To be the time.
Dun dun dun.